Welcome to my home, my haven and my sanctuary. Hi, I am Caraa and I am the founder of the Red Shed Alba, which is a gorgeous wee Nordic cabin in Aberdeenshire. I am a massage therapist specialising in fertility massage and womb massage, which assists fertility challenged couples amongst other things. I'm also a Reiki master, so I practice Reiki and I also teach Reiki, which I love. I am a firewalk instructor and I facilitate firewalks and empowerment workshops, and I also do one-to-one empowerment coaching sessions as well.
So in terms of the womb massage, I would invite any woman to investigate it. It's all external bodywork and massage, and Caraa also integrates and blends tools and techniques that she has in her tool bag so that you get what you need in that safe held sacred space that she holds in the Red Shed Alba. So I would invite you to give it a go.
So as a practitioner of Reiki, I use my heart and my hands to channel energy into your body through various hand positions. This energy has a consciousness of its own and it knows exactly where it needs to go in order to heal you and bring you back into balance.
Coming for a regular massage or womb healing therapy or even Reiki treatment is just a way of making sure that I'm well, that I'm taken care of so that I can be there for everyone else.
Arrow breaks are a very powerful transformational healing tool that will enable you to focus and give you the springboard to move forward in your life, to let go of unhelpful thoughts and barriers so you can live the life that you truly want to live and deserve to live. For more information on all of the therapies I have to offer, please visit redshedalba.co.uk. Thank you.